Okay po, lapit po tayo. Good morning po everyone. We will be starting our operational briefing po. Please po, paki-turn off, paki-silent or pakihinaan po natin ang ating communication devices, radio, cellphones, pakihinaan po natin po yan. We will be starting our operational briefing for our Rizal earthquake. Today is September 17, 20XX at ang time po natin ngayon ay 0500 hours. Our operational period will last from 0600 hours to 1800 hours po tayo. With that po, I will be stating po natin ang ating objectives po. Your objectives po ay nasa inyong mga handouts na po. Kindly read them, take them into heart. Basahin niyo po maigi po yan at yan po ang ating objective all throughout the operation. Also, I would like to remind you po sa mga objectives po natin later on po sa inyong mga group briefings, kindly dictate din. Pakibasa po sa mga tao po nyo, sa mga kasamahan po natin na mag-respond ang objectives. Ulitin ko po, basahin maigi at unawain po natin yan. Ngayon po, titignan po natin ang ating Operation Section Chief. May I call po Sir John sa pagkakita.
Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. For our situation update, around 1500 in the afternoon, September 16, 20XX, 24 hours since the occurrence of earthquake struck, numerous occurred aftershock have been declared. And of course, meron din po tayong 10 pamilya na naitalang 10 taong naitalang namatay at may mga naitala din po tayong nawawala due to collapse of buildings near school. Meron din po tayong 200 families have already displaced and they are required for essential needs such as immediate evacuation and of course medical care and protection. Continuing education for the displaced children is required as well. For the electric supply, nakat po ang supply natin due to the destruction of our buildings. And we also raised this concern to immediately provide personnel to reinforce the re-establishment or the reconnection of our lines for the power supply. Damage seems to be moderate to severe in the southern area of our map, and this is the Rizal earthquake map of the municipality of Rizal. So, at the eastern portion of Rizal also seems to be moderate to severe. And of course, we also stated that the bridge over the Roaring River seems to be structurally damaged, and however, the bridge at the main street is damaged and out of service. So, thank you.
Thank you so much po, sir. Ngayon po, babasahin ko naman po sa inyo ang ating weather forecast for today po. Meron po tayo 25 degrees Celsius na temperature with a heat index of 31 degrees Celsius. At meron po tayong easterlies affecting north and central Luzon with the winds of light blowing from east to southeast and a precipitation of 40%. Meron po tayong bahagyang maulap hanggang sa maulam na papawin na may puno-pulong mga pag-ulan o pagkidlat, pagkulog ang maranasan sa Rizal dulot ng easterlies po. Yun po ang ating weather forecast for today po. Ngayon po, ang ating namang tatawag ulit po ang ating Operation Section Chief po para sa ating ops assignment po.
Maaaring lumapit po sa harap ang ating mga team leaders sa bawat task force na ating i-designate for the operation period. Unang-una po ang ating task force search and rescue and retrieval team. Nakapaloob po dyan ang ating police team, ang ating police superintendent, firefighting team, SRRT, and the EMT together with the ambulance po. Pinangunahan po ng ating task force search and rescue and retrieval team ni Sir Coco Loco. Ang ating pong task force for medical, meron po tayo kinapapaloban po yan ng ating ambulance and ang ating EMT or emergency medical team. Ayan. Ang pinangungunahan naman po yan ng ating team leader na si Robin Hood. At sa ating task force evacuation, nakapaloob po dyan ang ating police team, ang ating volunteers, ang ating mga service vehicles. Ang nangunguna po sa task force na ito ay ang ating team leader na si Jose. And para naman po sa ating task force clearing operation, nakapaloob po dyan ang mga sumusunod. Nandito po ang ating front loader, ang ating dump trucks, ang ating front movers, earth movers, and kasama din po dyan ang ating mga firefighting team, ang police team, at ang ating mga service vehicles. So yun lamang po.
Thank you so much po, sir. Ngayon naman po, tinatawag ko po sa harapan ang ating safety officer po sa kanyang message po.
All personnel prioritize safety during operations. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE at all times. Be alert for unstable structure, sharp, debris, and other potential hazards in the work area. Maintain clear communication with your team and any unsafe condition immediately to your supervisor. Stay hydrated, take scheduled breaks, and watch out for signs of fatigue. Remember, safety first, mission always.
Thank you so much po, sir. Ngayon naman po, tinatawag ko po sa harapan ang ating logistics para sa kanyang logistics chief po, section chief.
Thank you. All the resources and support service are being coordinated through logistics. If you have equipment, supply, or transportation needed, please report them through your chain command. This ensure everyone has what they need to operate safely and effectively. Thank you.
Thank you so much po, sir. Ngayon po, tinatawag ko po ang ating resource unit leader po para i-remind po sa atin ulit ano po yung mga resource na available po natin.
Good morning po. Ito po ang ating mga resources as of now. Police Superintendent, Police Team, Ambulance, Dump Truck, Earth Mover, Front Loader, Volunteers, and we also have our firefighting team, Search and Rescue Team, Retrieval, Emergency Medical Team, and Service Vehicle. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Ngayon po, dumako po tayo sa financial concerns po natin. Tinatawag ko po ang ating financial section chief po, sir.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Good morning po. I-remind ko lang po ulit kayo kung nakapag-time in na po ba lahat. Kumakain na po kayo ng batil-batong, hindi pa kayo nakakain in. Okay po, any concerns about compensation and finance, just feel free to contact me at ICP. Documented naman po lahat. Nasa resibo na rin po lahat. Thank you.
Ngayon po, tinatawag ko po sa harapan ang ating public information officer.
Thank you, PSC Kyle. So, good morning po sa ating lahat. So, for the information plan and updates po, dahil po sa malawakang ating sala na dulot po ng lindol dito po sa bayan ng Rizal, marami pong nakapalibot, umiikot na mga media outfit to gather newsworthy information po. So, with that po, please be reminded that all public updates and media inquiries will be handled by the Public Information Officer. So please direct any information request or sightings of media personnel to our team. Let's ensure accurate and consistent messaging throughout the operation. So maaari niyo po akong tawagan for any media-related concerns sa aking pong contact number 0998-345-1234. At meron din pong naka-set up na designated media area po dun sa ating corner. So for any media-related concerns po, pwede po silang lumapit doon. Right after this ops briefing po, magkakaroon din po kami ng media briefing doon po sa ating designated media area. Maraming salamat po. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat.
Thank you po, ma'am. Ngayon po, dito na po tayo sa ating liaison officer po. Nandiyan po kayo sa harapan po.
Thank you, PSC. Good morning po. Sa lahat po ng ating assisting and cooperating agencies, inaabisuhan po namin kayo na i-maintain nyo yung open lines of communication through me as the liaison officer. And please, any concerns po, kailangan, or updates, i-relay nyo po sa amin para po ma-ensure natin yung smooth coordination po ng ating response. Okay, para na din po maiwasan natin yung doble-dobling efforts, kumbaga. And I guess, anyway, iwan ko pala yung number ko para po makontak niyo po ako. You can contact me at 0916-446-2030. And yes, I guess that's it. Let's continue working as unified one team. Thank you po.
Thank you so much po, ma'am. And lastly po, ipananyahan ko po sa haba ng ating incident commander po. Sir,
Thank you, Kai. Good morning, everyone. I hope everything is clear. Is there any questions? We can raise it later. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for coming here. Alam ko po kung gaano mahirap sa atin itong sitwasyon. Pero, first of all, I am sorry, always remember, our main priority is life and safety of the people and of course our responders. I know this is tough, but we are tougher when we work together. So be safe and God bless.
thank you so much po, sir. Ngayon po, bago po i-end ang ating operational briefing po, let me remind you po ang ating mga frequencies, naka-indicated na po yan sa ating handouts po. Per group briefings po, Task Force SRRT, doon po kayo sa room 120, Task Force Med 121, and Task Force EVAC 122, Task Force Clearing, kayo po ay sa 124. Media po, doon po kayo sa likod po mag-briefing po. And with that po, thank you so much po and God bless.
Okay.